Hey guys, it is your auto guide and I'm here today I'm back with you some latest auto update from Ujet launches a folding smart scooter at the CES 2018. Luxembourg-based company Ujet unveils a smart scooter at CES 2018 in Las Vegas, the world's largest electronic fair. The Ujet scene looks unlike anything we have seen before. It is constructed from an asymmetric frame that is articulated in the center, giving it the ability to fold easily in just 5 seconds. The folding nature has been developed expressly so that you can carry it anywhere along with you in the same way you would wheel a travel bag around, ensuring ease of maneuverability. It is constructed from carbon fiber and lightweight alloy parts. Several of its components are interchangeable and can be customized to your liking as well, with two seat heights and a two body design to choose from. It is powered by an electric motor that can be fully charged in 2 hours. Power output stand at 5.4 PS with a claimed torque output of 90 nm. Top speed delivered is 45 kmph. The battery range available differ depending on the model you choose, with the standard one offering 80 km and the top variant delivering 160 km in one full charge. The battery pack itself can be detached from the scooter and wheeled to an electric point for easy charging. The user also gets the best of communication technology with connectivity option for 3G, GPS, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Apart from the fact that the scooter can be unlocked and started via your smartphone, it also gets a fully digital instrument panel that allows you to connect your phone to configure the scooter. You can even get social media updates, access the web and view the world via an onboard SD camera. The scooter also gets built-in speaker and a lot slot to power mobile devices via its power bank mode. One of the more innovative bits on the scooter is that the wheels don't rotate on the shaft and bearing seen on conventional scooters. Instead, it gets external bushing. Braking is taken care by the perimeter disc brake with an internal calipers. The empty wheel configuration houses a revolutionary suspension system which is designed to offer a highly plus ride. Ujet confirmed that it has already started manufacturing the scooter at the end of 2017. It is set to go on sale in Europe soon, later on entering Asia and the United States. However, you need to consider the fact that the feature doesn't come in cheap. The Ujet cost around rupees 6.16 lakhs for the standard model, which offer around 80 km of range, or rupees 7.04 lakhs for one of that offers a range of 160 km. So guys, this was the quick update on Ujet launches a folding smart scooter at CES 2018. Until then, stay tuned with the car for the latest update on auto and technology videos. Hey guys, it is your auto guide and I'm here today I'm back with you some latest auto update from Ujet launches a folding smart scooter